I really like my Cub Cadet. This has been a pretty good little unit. This is the LT46, says XT1 down there on the bottom. But it's been a pretty nice 42-inch cut mower. But I bought it and a year wasn't even up before the battery went bad. So this thing uses a tiny, dinky little battery. And I would like to say it's a motorcycle battery, but actually it's like a UPS battery. It's an absorbed glass mat battery that cost $84 from the cheapest source I could find it. And as I got to looking at what we could do to replace the battery, I kept wondering if I could squeeze in a full-size battery, which is what I really wanted. So when this tractor is just sitting here with the old battery in it, it's got a battery box. That battery box sits right there, and that little dinky battery goes in that hole right there. But I measured, when I pulled this out, I measured the opening to see how big this opening was, to see how big a battery I could put in that opening. So I went down, bought this battery. This battery was, this is 350 cold cranking amps. I bought it brand new for $48 and came back, and I know this isn't, and I should have taken a video when I was, when I was doing it, but I didn't think about it right now. I took an old belt that I had, wide belt, and I just looped the belt under it, put two bolts, actually two self-tapping screws and fender washer on that side and two self-tapping on this side, and it set right in. Now I went back and added this piece because that helps cushion the front of the battery, and this helps cushion the back of the battery so it doesn't slide back and forth. And seems to work real well. The only thing you have to keep in mind is the back needs to be lower here. You can see it needs to be low like that. If you don't, this post will hit the seat and you could have a problem. But you can see, let's see if I can get a better shot of it. You can see I'm clearing it pretty nice, and no matter how we do the springs, I'm actually not hitting it. So that was my goal. Anyhow, I wanted to do this little video and let you see what I did, maybe give you some ideas. Keep in mind that right below that battery, that right just above where I have it mounted, this shaft goes all the way across to the other side, and that shaft is in there. So I don't believe you would want it sitting on that shaft. Other than that, good luck.